Hi there and welcome to Hotspotty. This video is meant to give you a full explanation tour of all our software features. All our features are listed in the timestamps below, so if you want to go over to a specific feature, take a look under this video. Let's get right into it. Hotspotty provides more comprehensive and detailed information about your Helium hotspots than any other tool. Get started by adding wall wallets by address or find wallets by individual hotspot names, and add individual hotspots to your portfolio. The wallets overview shows you all the wallets you have added, including their lifetime and current balance, the number of attached hotspots and verification status. You can also see a list of all wallet payment transactions as well as the date, the amount of the sender, the recipient, and the payment status. The dashboard visualizes the key statistics and data points you need to know about your portfolio of hotspots and individual hotspots, including rewards by type and reward performance over time, with rolling averages that make it easy to spot the important trends. Hotspotty gives you all the information you need to understand when devices might be offline, relayed, or why they are suffering from reward scaling reductions. Let's head over to the advanced hotspot overview right now. By going over to the Hotspotty map, you can choose for any hotspot that is added to the Helium blockchain. Let's choose this one for example. The advanced hotspot overview helps you deep into individual hotspot status and data to understand how and why they are performing in terms of all potential rewards, beacons and witnesses. Now you can tell precisely what's driving or penalizing your reward scale. The map enables you to take a high-level regional view of hotspot distribution, congestion and performance. See color-coded hotspot statuses on the map according to a range of variables including online status, simulated reward scale, reward factor, HNT rewards, and witnessing types. See how a hotspot is performing compared to others and compared to potential new locations according to a range of different metrics, such as the simulated transmit scale, the daily, monthly and 7-day rolling average rewards, as well as valid bidirectional witnesses and many more. Let's take a look at the regional dashboard right now. The regional dashboard enables you to easily see the number of hotspots in an area, as well as the average regional transmit and reward scales, and the average rewards. It also shows you if a hex has too many hotspots, and if so, how many would need to be removed, or if the limit can be increased. The region dashboard gives information about all the hotspots shown in the highlighted purple area on the map. There are two different simulation options that show you how you can optimize your reward scale. For that, go over to the Hexes. Choose the resolution to your need. Under the optimization section, you will find strategies that you can apply. Either you can eliminate hotspots from a hex to reduce density, or you can add more hotspots to neighboring hexes to increase capacity. Hotspotty also offers this very cool time travel simulation. A time travel function reveals exactly how hotspot's population density has changed and the impact this had on the reward scale, showing just why advanced location planning and collaboration are so important. We made it very easy to access a list of hotspot manufacturers with intelligent metrics. The Maker's Hotspot Explorer provides a list of all hotspot manufacturers, ranked by how many of their brand hotspots are activated and online and or offline, with a list of helpful information and reliable links to the manufacturer's resources. Hotspotty also offers great tools for managing, planning and optimizing your hotspot locations. Let's take a look at some ways in order to add locations to your portfolio. First of all, you can add locations using the global search tool. The second way of adding locations is by dropping a pin on the map. Power users can add multiple locations in one go for planning purposes with a KML or CSV file. Our location management tool shows all your planned location addresses and associated coordinates, as well as simulated reward scale, associated installs and hotspot names, plus any labels you have added to the location. You can also easily add new locations at the press of a button. add, remove, or update contact information such as the contact name, email, phone number, and tax ID. Contacts can be associated with locations and commission agreements. You can check the transmit scale of a potential location with a simple drag and drop function on the map. Hotspotty will then tell you the estimated transmit performance at one of 5 levels, from terrible to excellent. You can also enable or disable whether hotspots around this location are included in the simulation. Our line of sight tool easily demonstrates if a proposed hotspot location will have its signal impended or not from one location to another. This quickly allows you to understand if a new location will witness other hotspots or provide good coverage. At Hotspotty, we want you to have a lot of customizable options. Let's take the appearance settings. Here you can enable everything to your needs. You can enable problematic hexes, too close to witness lines, elevation contours, locations, satellite view, and so on. Now let's take a look at managing and monitoring all of your hotspots in one place. Every hotspot has a hotspot status and diagnostics tab. Stay on top of hardware status with detailed blockchain data showing if a hotspot is offline, relayed, or not syncing, with the additional ability to request a live real-time status test for any actual device instead of having to rely on only the blockchain data, which is often outdated and misleading. In your workspace, you can see how multiple hotspots are performing on a single page over a range of time variables, alongside any messages received and labels you have added. In our Hotspot Activity tab, information relating to beacons, witnesses, challenges, rewards, and data transfer are shown there. You can filter by all of these types too. This is a great tool for troubleshooting and reviewing hotspot performance. It's also easy to add, remove, or update information about installs, such as the location, contact, commission details, and date installs. You can add a range of combinable labels to make it easier to search hotspots, wallets, contacts, locations, and installs across your portfolio. All of these labels can be assigned to whatever you want. Collaborate smarter with your team and the Helium community. If you have people working with you to manage your hotspot portfolio, you can leverage Hotspotty's data and functionality across your team by adding separate workspaces for different members and/or data. Are you managing multiple hotspots, or perhaps you're planning new locations? Hotspotty allows you to add additional members to your workspace to collaborate on a shared data source. A must for hotspot fleet managers who need the transparency and flexibility when scaling their operations. We currently offer 2 permission levels to help manage access and control. With admin access, you can change workspace settings and invite new members to the workspace. As a member, you cannot invite new members or change workspace settings. When deploying multiple hotspots and planning future installs, it's important to log important activities. It's easier than ever to organize your communications by enabling you to add internal workspace comments across hotspots, wallets, locations, contacts, and installs. This helps everyone easily record and find relevant key information. You can even add your team members in comments to automatically email them. Verifying your wallet also gives you the option to be automatically added to separate Discord channels for owners who have hotspots in the same or neighboring hexes. Integrated Discord regional collaboration means that at the press of a button, you can open a channel that automatically creates a group with and connects you to nearby verified wallet owners. This makes it easy for verified owners to message and collaborate with other verified owners, whose hotspots may be impacted each other's performance. Hotspotty's advanced payment management technology helps you solve one of the biggest headaches of owning a large hotspot portfolio, making it easier to keep your hosts and partners happy without all the manual admin. Generate commission reports between any start and end dates, in multiple currencies including Helium, in whatever time zone you need to account for. Our commission reports show you all the contacts you've paid commissions to, as well as the payment method, payment status, and number of commissions paid to each host. You can also go deeper into commission reports to view which contacts and wallet addresses payments have been sent to, and what hotspots the agreed earnings percentages have been taken from. It's also easy to filter all commission reports by individual contact or payment status, so you can review and audit accordingly. The overview page shows you all the commission reports you have created, when they were created, as well as the date period of the report, the time zone, the currency used and the total commission paid. You can even download a raw JSON file and audit the contents of the commission report. You can use QR codes to pay up to 25 contacts at once. For that you can use the QR code scanner in the Helium app. Hotspotty enables you to pay contacts individually as well. Thanks to the CLI and JSON files, Hotspotty makes it simple to pay multiple contacts in bulk, which is invaluable if your portfolio includes hundreds or even thousands of hotspots. Raw JSON data can also be downloaded for analysis and auditing purposes. Crucially, Hotspotty automatically prevents duplicate commission payments and warns you if important data is missing, such as a valid wallet address. In order to help you stay on top of paid HNT commissions, data is constantly being checked by the blockchain in order to see if a payment went through or not. We also give you the option to manually mark commissions as paid if needed. In the Wallet step, you can easily track all ingoing and outgoing HNT transactions for all wallets added to your workspace. View the date, TX amount, the sender, recipients, memo and status. You can even open each transaction individually and view more detailed information for intelligent auditing and analysis. People can export Hotspot's rewards via CSV for fiat accounting or for tax purposes. For tax purposes, we make sure that the file is compatible with Coinly. Now you are ready to get started right away. We recommend you to start verifying a wallet. Verifying a wallet is very easy and can be done via the workspace or the map. Simply follow the steps provided on your screen and you are ready to go. We work together with Kenny so that you can request new features, improvements or report bugs, and all information is very useful to us. We will always stand by to answer your questions or help you with specific needs. This was Jelle from Hotspotty and I hope to see you around on our website.